Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of our Carnation Coaster crochet tutorial. Today we'll create the beautiful 3D flower and the leaves to complete this lovely coaster. It's perfect for spring decor or as a handmade gift. Grab your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook, and let's get started. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun and relaxing crochet projects. For round 1, we'll begin by making a magic ring and working 6 single crochets into it. Pull it tight and close with a slip stitch. This forms the base of the flower center. You're doing great. Keep your tension relaxed for smooth stitches. Star. Moving to round 2, we'll split the stitches into 2 parts. First, work in the front loop only, FLO. Make 6 double crochet waves. That's 3 double crochets in the same stitch, repeated in each stitch. Next, go back to the back loop only, BLO. Again, work 6 double crochet waves just like before. Finish with a slip stitch. Tip. Working FLO and BLO gives the flower extra depth and volume. Don't worry if it looks ruffled, that's the beauty of it. Now for round 3, chain 3 to start, then work 1 round of double crochet waves again. That means 3 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. This gives the petals a fuller shape. Keep going. The texture is blooming beautifully. Let's add a delicate touch in round 4. Chain 1, then repeat this around. 1 single crochet, chain 3. This creates a cute lace edge around the petals. Tip, keep your chain 3 loops even to maintain a balanced shape. Almost done with the flower. Now let's make the leaves. Start by chaining 8. Turn, skip the first chain, then work. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. This gives you a lovely pointed leaf shape. Then chain 2 and repeat the same pattern on the opposite side. SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, SC, and finish with a slip stitch. Great job. Tip: shape your leaf gently with your fingers after finishing each side. Let's continue with the long vine of leaves. Chain 88, then turn, skip the first chain and work. SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, SC. Chain 2 and repeat. SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, C. End with a slip stitch. This leaf pattern repeats along the chain, giving a natural flowing look. Tip: you can adjust the number of leaves by changing the length of the chain if you want a longer or shorter vine. Almost there. Your coaster is coming to life beautifully. And there you have it, a charming carnation flower coaster with a delicate leafy vine. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. I hope this project brought you peace and joy today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a sweet comment, and subscribe for more crochet magic. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video. Moving.